Is my journey as a farmer begins. Today I'm purchasing feeders and trays for the chicks. I've gotten this one. These ones are 10. It's a ratio of 1 is to what? Yeah, those ones will feed 500 chicks, and then I've also gotten some trays. So those are feeders. I was not able to get drinkers because we need smaller one for the chicks. The 3 liter drinkers, and I'm starting my journey with Ken Chick. Our journey lipa, but they should pay me for yeah. So these are the drinkers. Ebu assemble moja nione how I will do it. So once it's assembled, this is how it looks like. You pour food inside here, and then it comes out on these spaces here. This is where the chicks will feed from. I want to see how it's assembled. So one of these goes for 645 shillings. They also have the bigger one and the better quality than this one that is going for 950 Kenya shillings one piece. It's quite big than this one, but I was feeling for chicks at a young age. I think this height is favorable for them, but I don't know how fast they grow. So yeah, I would really want to know how to assemble one. Yeah, so she's just oh, and they also have chicks here. These are 1 day chicks, old chick, and they are already vaccinated against Newcastle, Gumboro, and Gumboro. These are broiler. So you have to book your chicks. You pay 50% of the amount, and then you have a waiting period of 1.5 months for you to get your chicks. So let's do this journey of farming together. Okay, let's see how it's assembled. Nataka uweke nikiona. Okay. So this is the hook for suspending your feeder, because it's not supposed to be touching the ground. So this is where you suspend it. If it touches the ground, the chicks will be, stepping on it and contaminate the food. It's advisable that it's suspended a little bit so that it's only their beaks that can, reach the food only, not the bodies. Yeah, I think nitabeba kama zimeingishanishwa. And also guys, it's also recommended you use plastic feeders because they don't rust and it is easier to clean them. I know some farmers use the metal ones, but yeah. So remember to subscribe, leave me a like, a comment on what you think about this video. Very soon I'll be taking you to my chicken house. It's complete. Yeah, and these are some golden rules. I don't know for what. Oh, 5 senses: smell, hear, sight, feel, talk, on how to take care of your chicks. After consultation, I'm taking the other feeders, the bigger ones, the ones that go for 950 a piece. When you buy poultry, you buy once, and given that I don't think my chickens will be having cages, so Yeah, and I also want to buy once and for all. So we are exchanging this one with the other one, the bigger size and the better quality. Yeah. They say cheap is expensive and expensive is cheap. So we are getting the other feeders. We already have the trays. So this is the one that I was telling you about. As you can see, it's different from the other one, and it's really good quality and it's big. Brian, umesema hii ni how many kgs? This one is 12 kg and the other one was 7. The other one was 7. So there is a difference of 5 kgs. So we are going to get this one, 10 of them. And I also think assembling this one is easy. It's not like the other one, but let's wait and see. I've noticed it does not have like a hole like the other one, but she will show me how to assemble this one. So this is the one that I'm going home with. Tomorrow I'll be shopping for a brooding jiko, and I've been advised to take 2, one big and one small, and I'll also be getting the drinkers, the 3-liter drinkers. I've been told those are the suitable size for chicks, for small chicks. So like I've said, I'm starting my journey, my poultry farming journey with Kenchick, in partnership with Kenchick. Yeah, so wish me all the best, guys. I feel like I'm coming down with flu. I bought some Arabian perfume and it smells really nice, smells heavenly, but oh my god, I'm coming down with flu. So yeah, let's wait for the other drinkers, for the other feeders. Here's the big drinkers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have them 10 in number because we are starting with 500 chicks. And it's a ratio of 1:100. 1:50. So this one can feed 50 chicks, 50 chicks, 50 chicks. Yeah, like that, like that. Let's see how it's assembled. I get them and then I go home. I don't know how I'm going to carry this stuff, and I can't do border because of reasons known to me. You pia staki homa. Tomorrow I have a shoot. I need to be, my voice to be top notch. Yeah, guys, if you need to advertise your brand, I'm your girl. Talk to me, slide into my Instagram, DM me, and let's do business together. How you assemble this one? Oh, the more they need food. Oh, venye wanaendelea kugrow. Okay. Na sasa nikuulize kama ile nyingine venye ilikuwa inapitisha food, hii inapitisha aje? Ya naeka hapa, but unaona ile nyingine wakitoma ina reduce, inaji slide yenyewe. Hii kama let's say tumeanzisha hivi, kuna nafasi hapa inaweza hapa tutahama. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh okay. Oh nimepata. Oh sawa. Okay. Hii yote it's easier. Okay. Me confirm the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one will be tutakuwa mob. Kifuniko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah. Ziko sawa. Naweza nipakia. So guys, I want to pay. Tomorrow I'm looking for brooding jiko and 3-liter drinker. Yay! Who is a poultry farmer? Me. I need someone to help me carry this. It's quite heavy because I have a backpack and it's heavy also and some things there. So guys, I've found someone to help me carry the things. They are quite heavy. So he's helping me out. My camera looks bad. I need a new phone. Like a camera or something. Tunaweza enda? Inakuanga hapa ama pale chini? Ile njia ya katikati ya nyumba. Si kwa stage ya Murera? Okay, ende. So guys, we are going to the stage. The things were heavy actually for a baby girl like me. So the guy is helping me carry. I don't want to leave him behind. This is Kenya. He might run with my things. So we are going towards the where I get vehicles to go home. I'm dropping these things at my mom's place. Alafu from tomorrow I'm going to get drinkers and brooding jikos. For the brooding jikos, I think I'll need a vehicle. I'll borrow my mom's car tomorrow. And I still have a shoot. I think my day will start from 6 so that I don't miss the shoot. The shoot starts at 10, but I'll talk to them. We push it to 11 or in the afternoon so that I'm done with whatever I'll be doing. So guys, see you once I get home. Taking the stuff home. I don't want to kupanda boda because I'm feeling fluish. I don't want to have a runny nose because tomorrow it's a shoot day, and also I don't have a sweater. Although it's not far, it's just like a walking distance. So my brother-in-law, they had come to visit my mom with my sister, so he's the one who is going to stand at the gate, so like this guy can see him ndo achukue hizi vitu. Let me cross so that he can follow me. If he runs with my things, I'm done. And today it's cold. Is it cold? No, it's windy. It's windy and it's also very cold. So guys, remember to subscribe, give me a comment, and just wish me the best in my poultry journey. So yeah, I have been building the house under the radar, chini ya maji, but now it's now time to have the chicks. Okay, I'm so scared because of the mortality rate, but I'm going to do my best to make sure at least I'm at 95% survival rate. That is all I'm praying for, and I'm hoping for a favor in this poultry farming journey. I hope my brother-in-law is already outside the gate so that he will receive the feeders for me. Yeah, so like I've said, tomorrow I don't know if you can hear me clearly because of the wind. Tomorrow I'll be purchasing the brooding jiko and drinkers. But drinkers, I think now we will have, once the chicks grow into full grown chick, we will have to change the drinkers. I've been advised to get the 3 liter. So I think as they grow, you get we get drinkers, because like right now for the chicks we are using the trays. They can't be using the feeders because they are small. Yeah, so as they grow, you go changing the feeding equipment. Yeah, so let me keep my phone away. I'm not saying that the guys who are coming are thieves, but I might just hold it with 2 hands. I'm holding it with 2 hands. I've already paid that guy via M-Pesa. So, yeah. Guys, you remember that mansion I was telling you? Yeah, he's there. He's at our gate. I can see him from here. He's at our gate. Oh, this construction has come with blessings, because now this road has been fixed. It's always so chaotic. If you go and look at my previous vlogs za kitambo, aka karod kana kwanga kabaya. Here you have to wear gumboots. But now, since this is a real estate, they are selling it. Of course, now they have to make the road. Of course, also for their trucks that are bringing construction materials, and also for their clients who will be coming to see the house. So they have to, make sure that the roads that are going to the houses, they are in good condition, because that is also a selling point. And now people that even never used to use this road, they are using. I know that guy, he's used to be a member of Nyumba Kumi, though our Nyumba Kumi is not functional nowadays. But I know him. He's called, let me stop saying people's names. Yeah, so my things have already been received. Oh my God, these mansions. God of money. Give me money so that at one point in my life I also own a mansion. I've been raised up in a mansion. Why would I go and live in a, Yeah. Santi, my mom already set standards, so I should not let her down. Yeah, whether someone is buying the mansion for me or building it for me, I'm doing it for myself. Irregardless, I have to own a mansion at some point in my life, because that's the pace. So these are the real estates that are being built in our neighborhood, and it's good. They are making our neighborhood look so nice. Even this land was sold the other day. The owner came to tell my mom that he has sold the land, because here you check your neighbor's property. So he came and told her, I've sold that land, so if you see people developing, there's no cause of alarm, because that land has been sold severally to different people. They have been scammed. So you should also be very careful where you are purchasing land and the authenticity of the land documents. So I want to open the gate. I think this is where I'm going to end today's vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for always keeping it here in my channel. I'll see you on the next vlog. This was an abrupt vlog because hey, you see how our dogs have notified the compound. I didn't even do intro for this vlog, but thank you for clicking to watch. I appreciate you and for the support you are showing this channel. We are road to 1000. See you on the next one. Bye.